Different navigation modes. There are 3 navigation modes: orbital, examine mode, and fly mode. By default, the orbital mode is selected. It is the most intuitive for basic use. For more information on the modes, we suggest you watch the Discovery Tour, available at the software's opening and in the Help menu, which describes the functions of the keys for each mode. Moving in 3D. In orbital mode, you can select a central navigation point either by clicking the mouse wheel or by right-clicking, Set Navigation Center. This will set the point around which your camera will move. Scrolling the wheel forward will zoom in on this point, and scrolling backward will move away from the point. A single press on the mouse wheel places the center point of navigation at the desired location. Orientation is done by holding the right click, then moving the mouse. Translation, pan, is done by holding the mouse wheel and moving the mouse. The cube allows for strict orientation of the camera. Simply click on a face, a corner, or an edge to automatically orient the scene. If you want to zoom in or out, use the mouse wheel forward or backward. For a more precise zooming, press Ctrl, press the mouse wheel and move the mouse forward. For a quick approach, you can use the spacebar, which will center the view on this point. This is also the function of the Fit to Selection button. Double-click a part for a quick approach to it. Conversely, the Home button allows you to replace the model at the center of the scene, moving away from the part. The Activate Zoom Mode by Marquee button allows you to select an area and approach it. When this is activated, simply select an area with the left mouse click, hold, and expand or reduce the selection area. It automatically deselects after use. Orthographic projection is a representation without perspective, with real dimensions for technical drawing. Perspective projection creates an illusion of depth, used for realistic renderings. To better visualize a hidden part, you can use the Isolate Mode button. This allows you to ghost the parts that are not selected, in order to visually isolate your selected part. A right-click on a part opens a contextual menu, from which several actions are possible. Set to Navigation Center allows you to set the central point of navigation. Fit to Selection allows you to get closer to the part. Quick filtering. Orthographic projection is a representation. Keep allows you to create a filter that will be added to an existing layer or a new layer. Discard allows you to create a layer with a chosen name and force its state to invisible. Useful for hiding a part or a set. Select allows you to create a layer with a chosen name and force its state to inactive. Useful for coloring, for example. Quick hide or delete allows you to instantly hide a part. You can undo this action right away. You can also inspect all hidden parts in the hidden geometry space and make them reappear by performing the inverse operation, that is, showing the geometry. Quick coloration allows you to quickly apply color to a part on the fly. The Quick Coloration button removes the temporary coloring and restores the original color. It's not possible to choose which parts are affected. All parts will revert to their original color. For this reason, using quick coloration is not recommended for long-term projects. Instead, you should use layers. However, it's possible to restore the original color of a single part by right-clicking, Quick Coloration, Reset Color. Warning: these actions will not be replayed if the build changes or if you share your model. They are for temporary or illustrative use only. They will be saved in your view, but won't be reapplied if the model evolves or is sent to someone else. Copy allows you to copy a context. Paste allows you to paste a context into another application, for example. The Configurations button allows you to quickly switch from one version to another of your model. If it was created with multiple configurations, you can display them here to compare or work on another version.